Oh shit, why did I forget to hide this auntie in my status? I should have hidden her before posting my pic. Let me ask you a question. How many of you have gone through this situation? And how many of you hide your status from your relatives or your neighborhood aunties or some people you find disturbing? Not daily, but at least I guess you have done that for few times, right? I know the answer is very simple. Why so many of us hide our WhatsApp status or any post or just want to stay remote in any social media platform without knowing that it's you. That's because you just don't want to create unnecessary questions, problems, or any confusions. And also, you're well aware that any sort of your explanations, even if you give a 2-hour PowerPoint presentation, they're not going to understand. They're just going to imagine something their brain actually likes and understand that. Most problematic part is that people always tend to guess your moods and what's happening in your life by seeing your status or the kind of post you make on social media. This is a different type of headache because after seeing that, they're just going to message you. Your phone is going to buzz with all these kind of messages like what's happening in your life, like are you in bad condition, do you need help, this, that and all. But no one is really interested. It's just out of curiosity. If they really want to help you, they'll call you, they'll know about your condition and help you to handle that situation and help you to get out of that condition. People get instinctively creative just by looking at your pic. It's like whenever a boy posts a pic with a girl or it's vice versa, that means something is going on. I think you're able to catch my tone. Yeah. People are going to make stories that are beyond your expectations from that single pic. Funny part is that most of the young people in our country are still single. They're praying to at least attend a date with their crush before marrying someone their parents arrange. That's what usually happens in our country, right? But these relatives, aunties and uncles are creating your love stories one after the other based upon these photos. Let's hope these stories become true. That would be great, right? God has given a very good imagination power. But still, you can't assume and create rumors however you want. But nothing much can be done because that's our brain's default mode. It can't be changed so easily. The first thing why teenagers keep secrets or hide anything is that they actually feel that you are not going to understand this particular point. You don't need to be of teenage to understand them. The problem is that, first of all, you don't even try to understand. Think in a positive way and understand it. Talk to them casually. Just widen your perspective. Ask and know about anything. Then they are going to respond and reply you without keeping any secrets. It's true that teenagers are not experienced, but not always that their intentions are bad, or sometimes they may have good intentions but they are choosing wrong way. So just give it a thought in their way so that you can help them to choose right path and go ahead in a good one. In this episode, I just spoke out whatever I felt. If you like it, please press the like button and comment down what is your opinion. Did you relate to the episode? And also, if anything I have missed, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for listening and have a good day.